So 2015, paper 1, question 7, B part 1. Find the value of f dash of x, the derivative of f of x at x equal to minus 4. So f dash of x, differentiate. So we have our function which is f of x is equal to 0.0024x cubed and so on. So f dash of x is going to be 3 by 0.0024 by x to the power 2 plus 2 by 0.018 by x plus, when you differentiate c of x you get c, and when you differentiate d you get 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0.0072x squared plus 0.036x plus, and we know that c from the part A was found to be 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0.0072x squared plus 0.036x, and we're asked for f dash of minus 4. So that's 0.0072 by minus 4 squared plus 0.036 by minus 4, and that works out to be f dash of minus 4 is minus 0.0288. Now B part 2 of the question is linked to B part 1. B part 2 of the question states, use your answer to B part 1 above to find the angle at which the plane is descending when it is 4 kilometers from touchdown. Now if you go back to the diagram, you can see that I've marked on it here, this is 4, okay? This is the 4 kilometer mark, so the plane is flying along and then the descent is beginning. So what I've done is I've drawn a tangent and I'm going to look at the slope, okay? Because I'm looking for the angle of descent, okay? So I'm looking for the slope. So remember, the slope is equal to the tan of the angle, which is the tan of the angle that it makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. It's also equal to the differential dy dx, and it's 4 kilometers. Now we're after finding the differential f dash of x, and we found it specifically at f dash of x at minus 4. So we're going to use that value that we have, okay, because that will find our angle. So we look here, this is going to be the angle along here to here. We're going to find this part just right there. So use your answer to from part B. So we know that the slope, we know that that's equal to the tan of the angle, and we also know that that's equal to the differential, and the differential which we have is f dash of x. And we've already found f dash of minus 4, and we know that to be minus 0.0288. Okay, and remembering that the definition of the slope is the tan of the angle the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. So the tan of the angle minus 0.0288. Now, from looking at the diagram and from looking at the sign, we have A, S, T and C. So we can see here that tan is negative, and from looking back at the diagram here, we know that we're talking about the second quadrant. Okay, so we have finding our reference angle, theta is equal to the tan inverse of 0.0288, and from that we find theta equal to 1.65 degrees when we round it to 2 places of decimal. Now we know that we're talking about the second quadrant, so that's going to be 180 degrees minus 1.65, which gives us 178 degrees. So therefore, if we look at our angle of descent, 180 minus the 178, we basically have a 2 degree angle of descent.